Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to use formulas in Smartsheet. Ladies and gentlemen, if you come from that era where you used formulas in Microsoft Excel, you'll know exactly what I'm about to do. Now, I've opened up a sheet in Smartsheet, and this is what it looks like. We're working on sheet 1, and it looks like this because I've made it like this. Yours may look slightly different. Now, quite simply, what we have to do is click in a cell that we would like to actually create a formula in. So I'm going to go ahead and create one right over here. And guess what? We started out with the equals. Once you click on the cell and you type in the equals sign, you'll see it'll open up formulas over here. Here, you can write it in syntax. Okay, this will be like your old school Excel. So you're going to go ahead and type in like this. You can see that it'll give you all of the information or what you should be adding in like you would see in Microsoft Excel. But let's say that you would like to not do it like this, but you'd like to do it an easier way. You can click on build with AI, and quite frankly, this is the better way of doing it if you don't understand all of those formulas. Here, all you need to do is describe the task that you want your formula to complete, right? And once it's done, you're going to click on apply over here. Okay, so you can apply it just to your cell. You can apply it to the entire column or a new column, and you can create that new column. Ultimately, once you're done, you're going to click on apply, and whatever formula you've requested the AI to build for you, it will be applied into that cell. Quick and easy.